Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer some crypto from Revolut to Revolut X. So now let's get started. So first off, to transfer the crypto from Revolut to Revolut X, you would need to have some crypto purchased on your Revolut application. Now, I assume that you already did this and that you just want to transfer over to Revolut X. So once you're done with that, or once you purchase some crypto on Revolut, you can go ahead and open your Revolut X app right here. And once you open it from this home screen right here, all you need to click is deposit. So just click on this one right here. And now you can select if you want to deposit either cash or crypto. So in this case, we will select crypto, and Revolut automatically pulls the data from your Revolut account to Revolut X. And here it will show all the cryptocurrencies that you have purchased on your Revolut account. So now I currently only have Solana purchased on my Revolut account, and that's why only Solana is showing right here. So now you would need to select the crypto that you want to transfer over. And in my case, that's Solana right here. I'll just click on this one. And here on this next window, we need to select the amount of crypto that we want to transfer from Revolut to Revolut X. Now keep in mind that you can also transfer over Ethereum tokens completely free without any fees from Revolut to Revolut X, which is quite a nice thing. So let's just go ahead and select the amount that we want to transfer to Revolut X. So I will only select 0.01 Solana and then click on preview right here. And next up, a preview window will load up. And then you can see the preview and the transaction that is about to happen. So on the preview window, you can see your amount that you will transfer, and the fees also are associated in this case because this is Revolut Internet transfer, so from app to app, so there are no fees associated. Now, if this looks good to you, you can go ahead and click on confirm right here. And there we go. Everything is pretty much instant. And then if you look at here, you can see that the cryptocurrency is now set to your Revolut X. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!